How to fix app not working, reinstall or use your browser. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix app not working and it says reinstall. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix if your Tinder app is not working and it says reinstall or use your browser, there could be a couple of reasons as to why this is happening. The first is on your mobile phone, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable and a reliable internet connection. After that, you can try to reset the app. Long press the Tinder app icon and you'll find the eye icon over here, especially on Android devices. On iOS, you can try to offload the app. Now once you're here on the app info page, scroll down to the storage tab. You can try to clear the cache files and you can also try to clear the data. Once you've done either of those, what you can do is you can go to your Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar now, you just want to search for Tinder and you have to check if the Tinder app has any type of update available. And if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully, one of these may have helped you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.